is how to turn this one from this to this. Hi family, this is Ropinga. If you are here, you are lucky to be here. Welcome. We are going to learn how to do this one. You go to CapCut, import your background image, search on your gallery, import your background image. After importing your background image, adjust it to fill the screen. You go to adjust it to fill the screen like this. Thank you for watching. And now go to adjust it to go to PIP again to bring the video of a cat typing computer. That is it. Now you are bring this one, so you go to cutout, go to Chrome, select strength 100, shadow 100. That is done. So now let's play and see. This is amazing. We have achieved it. So we are going to cut to trim it to meet the size of the cat dog typing. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe this video and like. The more you like, the more you share. Thank you. Sorry for the background. Now you save your video to your gallery and upload it to your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.